I found a way to get Shopify free for 2 years. If you don't believe me, watch this video. Hey guys, it's the eCombo here, and today I'm gonna show you how to do exactly that. The process is very straightforward, but there is one thing that you need to do, that if you don't do it, instead of getting 2 years for free, you're gonna get only 1 month. And this works on any new Shopify store that you create, but you might also be able to use it on your current store. Stay tuned for that information at the end of the video. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so the way this works is with an affiliate link, and I'm gonna leave on the description of this video this affiliate link. When you click on it, then you'll be able to register a new Shopify store. And let's look at the conditions here. First, you have to sign up for a Shopify plan from this page, okay? And then you're gonna build your store and keep it active for 45 days. So you're gonna pay the first month, okay? They are gonna give you 15 days for free with no credit card. Then you put the credit card, you keep it for 1 month, and then 15 more days. And then you will be able to claim your 500 subscription credit. Sounds simple, right? Well, no, because we have to do one little hack to be able to actually claim the entirety of the subscription credit. Once you sign up for your store, you're gonna receive this email. Hello, welcome to Shopify, all right? And then you start creating your store. This was sent on April 17th. Then a couple months went by and I received this Shopify email on July 6th. And it says Shopify reward unlocked. So here we can see that it's time to claim the $500 subscription credit. Now I'm gonna do this in front of you. I already did it for another store, but I wanna do it here for this one live, all right? So here's the 500 subscription credit, claim your credit. By the way, you have to claim it within 30 days of receiving that email. Now let me make myself a little smaller so you can see everything. All right, so claim your credits. Your referral credits are ready. You are eligible to receive credits totaling $500 to be used towards your Shopify subscription fee. These credits will be available for you to redeem prior to August 9th. All right, so the first time I did it, I'm like, wait, what? So it's only for 1 month then? Oh, well, here's the thing. Let's click on claim credits. So credits apply to your store. So right now you will see on your subscriptions right here, instead of $29 per month, it will automatically renew for free for the next month. But if you actually go to settings and then go to plan, then click on change plan, then click on choose this plan, check this out. So monthly is $29 like always, then yearly, 26, 2 years, only 23. And look at this. You have all the subscriptions credit right there. All right. So as long as you renew it right now for 1 year, 2 years, whatever you want, you can use the $500 subscription credit. And I'm actually gonna do this right now so you can see. So let's choose 2 years. It's gonna be $558. I have $500 in credit, so it's gonna be, $26. And because I already paid a little bit of this month, all right, so it's prorated. So anyways, 2 years for $31. Start plan. Let's see. And boom, here it is. So next billing date, June 30, 2024. We're in 2020 right now. But I already have a Shopify store. Can I get some credits? Well, supposedly credits are not transferable between stores, but there might be a way. This is a conversation that I've had with Shopify support. I was very obscure with my questions because I didn't want it to reveal my intentions, but she basically told me that I could transfer my store to another store. So basically you get the new store, you get the 2 years, and then you transfer whatever your old store to the new one. But that might be a little bit of work. In the end, she even told me that it might be possible to transfer the subscription from one store to another. So that might be a way. Now, full disclosure, I haven't tried this, okay? But if you actually tried, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a like if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more e-commerce news and tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.